हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द चैनल राइट डायरेक्शंस बाय सलीम। इस वीडियो में हम पढ़ेंगे रोल ऑफ आरबीआई इन इंडियन इकोनॉमी, स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शंस ऑफ आरबीआई। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, ध्यान से सुने, ठीक है। द इंडियन बैंकिंग सिस्टम इज़ वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट एंड मोस्ट एक्सटेंसिवली एक्सेस्ड सेक्टर्स ऑफ द country. In the country, apart from serving as the backbone of economy, the system is also responsible for ensuring transparency in the monetary transactions and implementation of various financial reforms. The banking system is governed by an apex body called Reserve Bank of India, which is responsible for governing, managing, monitoring, and the functioning of Indian banking system. Want to know what is Reserve Bank of India (RBI)? The Reserve Bank of India is the central bank that on a broader note monitors and governs the complete financial system. Established in the year 1935, this apex body was recommended by the Hilton Young Commission and works under RBI Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. The Reserve Bank of India serves several objectives as stated in its preamble. They are: undertake initiatives in the financial sector, supervise the initiatives for the betterment of financial sector, to regulate the issuance of banknotes, to help secure the monetary stability in the country, ठीक है। To keep pace with the economy changes and challenges by optimizing and modernizing the monetary policy. The RBI is under complete ownership and operation of the Government of India and is managed by 21-member Central Board of Directors. These board members are appointed under the Reserve Bank of India Act by the Government of India. RBI has its headquarters in Mumbai since 1937 and operates through a network of 19 regional offices and 9 sub-offices. Mr. Shaktikant Das is the current governor of RBI. Now, what is this organizational structure of RBI? RBI follows a strict hierarchical structure which is headed by governor along with a team of 4 deputy governors. The hierarchy is governor, then 4 deputy governors, then executive directors, principal chief general managers, chief general managers, deputy general manager, assistant general manager, then managers, ठीक है। मैनेजर के बाद सपोर्ट स्टाफ आ गया, ठीक है। The Central Board of Directors is appointed by the Government of India. It comprises official directors. A governor along with a team of 4 deputy governors are appointed for a stint of 4 years. Non-official directors, 2 government officials along with 10 directors from diversified fields are appointed, ठीक है। What are the functions of the RBI? RBI performs several functions across different levels. The major functions are monetary functions. As the RBI is the supreme monetary authority in the country, it is responsible for formulation and implementation of the national monetary policy, ठीक है। In maintenance of stability in price across various sectors while keeping up the growth objective. Then supervisory and regulatory functions. Being the apex financial body in the country, Reserve Bank of India also performs supervisory and regulatory functions. Setting benchmarks and parameters for banks regarding financial operations to ensure smooth, transparent and consistent working of all banks. Keeping in the mind the best interest of the general public, cost-effective and economic banking system is framed, ठीक है। Then forex or foreign exchange management, ठीक है। The Reserve Bank of India also manages and supervises the Forex Exchange Management Act 1999. B. It make provisions for the development of foreign exchange trade market to facilitate foreign trade. Number 2 पे आ गया development role. A. The RBI makes rules and regulations that help promote the functions of the national banking system and the linked entities. It strives to ensure the financial objectives of the country are met and the banks perform the functions as expected. Then issuance of currency. The RBI ensures that the optimum amount of currency is pushed into the system and also holds the responsibility to destroy and change the currency if required. RBI ensures that the currency and coins are supplied in adequate amount and quality. Regulator and supervisor of Payment and Settlement Act. RBI also serve as the keeper of Payment and Settlement Act 2007 and regulates the payment system across nations. RBI ensures the effectiveness and transparency of the payment system across the country. Then उसके बाद देखते हैं other related functions. The RBI also performs other related functions like providing consultation to banks and other financial institutions on sensitive and sophisticated financial matters. The Reserve Bank of India also serves as the banker of banks and provides funds to them at various rates. The Reserve Bank of India also serves as the chief banker, hence maintaining the banking operations and accounts of all scheduled banks across the nation.